Welcome to the February construction update from Limassol Greens, the most anticipated golf resort in Cyprus. Exciting progress is happening all around, bringing us closer to our grand opening. Let's take a look. Our clubhouse is coming to life. Construction is at full speed, with an impressive structure taking shape. Set to be completed by September, this will be the heart of Limassol Greens, a place where players and guests can unwind, dine and take in breathtaking golf course views. By October 2025, it will be ready to welcome our very first players. Exciting updates from the Robin Apartments West. The building is nearing completion, with teams working on the finishing details. Landscaping will soon begin, adding the final touches to these stunning residences. At Robin Apartments East, things are moving fast. The apartments are progressing smoothly and are on track for June delivery. Meanwhile, our villas are also making great strides, with construction set to be fully completed by June. Soon, homeowners will experience the luxury and tranquility of Limassol Greens firsthand. Of course, a golf resort wouldn't be complete without its spectacular course. Holes 5 and 6 are being landscaped and will be the first to be fully completed. You can already envision how they'll look when the course opens. Over on holes 3 and 4, our bunkers are taking shape, carefully crafted to challenge and excite players of all levels. Moving to holes 10, 11 and 12, the transformation is incredible. The fairways, greens and contours are coming together beautifully, bringing the course to life. The momentum at Limassol Greens is unstoppable. Every detail is coming together as we prepare to welcome residents, golfers and visitors to this world-class destination. With construction moving at full speed, we're on track for an unforgettable opening this fall. Stay tuned for more updates, and we can't wait to see you here soon.